Want to know how to edit your profile in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. So we have also created a video on how to log in and download Playsee, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, here you should be presented with this interface, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing your profile right here with your profile picture or your avatar. Just simply select it. And now once after your avatar, here you should be seeing edit profile, that should be right below your username. So you can just simply select it right here. And now you can just simply edit your profile picture, your username, your profile name, and then your bio as well. So once you have done or set up with everything, you can just simply select save. More to go with your personal information like email, password, birthday as well. And then you can also upgrade to official account right here for more reach. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.